we're getting ready to go into Sholo. So we're going to go ahead and fill up our water bottles and pop them in the refrigerator before we go so that we have some nice cold water when we get back. We'll be gone for a few hours, so we'll do some cool stuff today. I have a pickup order that I'm going to pick up, and it's a mix of different supplies from some grocery type stuff to things that I need for the RV to things that I need for koi. So there's a mix of things. And then we're going into Sholo, which is a really cool town, and I haven't been there in a long time. I'll have koi with me, so, and it's going to be warm. So I don't know if we're going to do anything super, what's the word? If we're going to do anything super duper outdoors, unless we can find some water. So I'll do a little search before we go, see what's around, jog my memory, see if there's anything cool to do. Got up this morning, fed the chickens, fed koi. Me and koi went for a walk, and I like filling these water bottles just so they're easy, and just having them in the camper refrigerator is really useful for me. I also have my big water bottle that I always use. So I'm spilling a little bit of water, but I got a towel down there, so gotta think ahead in this game. So I have like electrolyte packs, what is it, liquid IV, and I also have some elderberry packs that I like to put in my water. And I don't know, I bought these water bottles a while ago, and so I just keep reusing them. Plastic's BPA free, so I'm gonna just copy them. And I will do this, okay? That's what I'm gonna take with me. This water's not cold, it's not hot, it's been very nice out, so we'll do the temperature. Do this, and then I'm gonna refill. And then I'll take this with me into town, and I'll refill it along with the other water containers that I have. All right, so I'm gonna gather my stuff, get the car loaded up, get my koi going, and we'll hop in the car and we're gonna start driving to Sholo. Maybe I'll show you some cool stuff along the way. What to eat, what to eat, what to eat. Do I want coffee? I haven't had coffee. Should I get one of these? Should I get one of these? I don't need one of those. But also have this stuff. She wants to play.